We would never date.
We have Belmont. We're going to the beach.
I have a gift for you.
Oh wait, thanks. Like the wave.
This is our update and we're at the beach. Yay!
Okay, we're so high up. Dang. Dude, you just get a...
Hey guys, I'm at the beach currently. And I'm with my faves. But literally the weather's so nice. I also accidentally got sunburnt. But we're living life, we're living large, you know, past couple months of senior year. But gotta have fun with it. We're on the way back to Bella's house. Woo!
And then I'm filming because, you know, we're safety first.
Safety first.
We have our girl driving. Oh, 0.5 is.
Ready? Woo! Woo! That's sick. Okay guys, we're looking for Mara's phone because she thinks she ran it over.
I actually ran it over. Are you serious?
She ran it over, bro.
Okay.
She's calling the phone now.
Let's see if it immediately goes to... Maybe it's like severely cracked. No, I think if I ran it over, it would be done. I don't think it would work. I know. Dominoes! I literally want to keep this in the car. You actually dropped it.
Yes. Oh no.
Okay. There's actually nothing wrong with it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I don't think you got it. I mean, unless it's had cracked before, but it's like a little bit like,
Oh, no,
but
it's had
it's
that.
like the screen protector.
Wait, so this is good.